So at this point, our customer's given us enough backline information to create offers and marketing plan to help us create more better results. So we know who they'll be targeting, we know their competition, we know their ideal customers, and we know why customers choose them. We have very interesting information to create better results and help them get more leads. First, we'll create some content using Canva. Okay, in the ad creative, we're going to create our leads because we're helping them get leads. Continue. So we'll better set it up as a manual because it'll give us more settings and options to use better targeting. Let me just say, let's just say LA. Okay, after naming, we're just gonna skip this one because no category. Oh, we're just gonna next. So messenger. So we can actually say instant farm. Okay, this will enable us to maximize quality leads by asking them a few questions. Okay, here we're going to maximize the number of leads. Here it will be dollars, so prefer it should be around $8, but because it's ZAR, then 200 rands is perfect for ZAR. I'm in South Africa, so it'll be ZAR. End date, okay, we do not set an end date because it'll mess up the ad spend, so we just have to literally keep coming back and checking to manage the leads or manage the ad spend manually, because if we set an end date, it'll be a bit more, the ad campaign will not perform as well as when it doesn't know when the ad would end. So we'll just leave it like that. Okay, so here we'll be targeting where our prospect lives, of course. So let's say the person might be in Los Angeles, California, city, country. We'll actually set specific locations determined on what our prospect needs or where they want to actually target. So if they want to target here, we'll just simply help target here. The age, perhaps we'll set it around let's say 30. Okay, so 30. Genders, all genders, detailed targeting. I'll leave this one blank because Meta will actually do this easier for us when we turn this one on. Advantage and placements recommended. This one will maximize our results according to how the ad spend is. So this will give us better results. And we click next. Okay, ads. Let's say this will be our prospects, our customers. This will be our customers' accounts, of course, Facebook page and Instagram page. So we are going to create the ad with the one that we created in Canva. So here, to create ad, we're gonna set up ad creative. So we're going to add the image before and after. This is how it would look. Okay, it'll be on our stories and okay. Next, analyzing your image variations. Okay, this is just AI creating different variations of how it can help us. So let's see if it'll do a good job. Bob. Okay, no. Nope, skip and continue. It doesn't have any after and before, so you would just skip. That one is better if you have other forms of contents, not this one. So we could say how it would look. This is how it will. Preview, okay, get quotes, okay, transform your kitchen and bath. Okay, it looks proper. Click here, done. So we will move. So as some primary text here, I've copied something here. I've made dreaming of. Okay. I think I'll have to make it a bit shorter. Let me see. Because if it says see more, I need the call to action to appear. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is how it would look. Okay, don't worry about the error, we'll fix it a bit later when we're done. So different variations, we're going to choose. Could either Lego variations, choose which ones are the best. Okay, they look good. So the headline, we could use a simple call to action for that. So this is what we're gonna do. The headline. There we go. Revamp your kitchen or bathroom. Get free. Yeah. Okay. We could say get quote or learn more. I say learn more because we're going to ask them a few questions, of course, before they qualify as a lead. Okay. Description. Description, we could actually add 5-star rated. Let me rated. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me just edit this. Get a free design consultation. Okay, so this 5-star rated should appear around, maybe around here. Okay, let's see advanced preview. Okay. Destination, instant form, more volume. Okay, I'm gonna re-edit this. That's free design consultation. We're gonna add more volume. High contents. Okay, we need more volume. Next, background image, optional. Okay, you could add your Facebook page's background image. In this case, we're not going to add the background image. So greetings, optional too. You could have a greeting, and for that, we're not going to do. So we're just going to go straight to instant form. Click next. Okay, description. We are going to add a description here. I want to add a question, but before that, let's say full name, email. Let's start with full name, email, and phone number. These are the main things we need to call the prospect. Okay, and add question, multiple choice. Okay, how long have you been thinking about renovation? Less than 1 week, 1 to 4 weeks, 1 month plus. Okay, this will give us a rough estimation of how serious they are. Okay, so we're going to add another question. Short answer. There's more about your project. Okay, this will give us a rough estimate of how, if the person's having a problem with the bathroom or kitchen, so that when we say an appointment, we'll have enough information to know how we're going to help the prospect, the client. And email. Okay, what we're trying to avoid here is asking too many questions to avoid, because too many questions may just lead the customer off. So we're trying to avoid asking too many questions. So with too much information, too much questions, so with too many questions, we may put off the leads. We may lose the leads with too many questions. So this, I think this is enough. Okay, looks like everything is set. Next, privacy policy link. So basically here we will put the customer's privacy policy link. Okay, for this we just put our privacy policy here. Okay, I just use this one. Our team will be in touch within 24 hours to arrange your consultation. Okay, what we can do now is they could call the business or chat on WhatsApp. It depends on what the business needs or wants. Or they could schedule a meeting with them or chat on WhatsApp. It just depends. So let's say call business for now. This is where you can add call now or start messages in Messenger. It depends on where you would want to redirect the message. So we'll move on and create the form. Form has been created. So what's left now